Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is especially for students who are interested in data science, machine learning and analytics because both opportunities today are from a very strong companies. One is a fully remote role and second one is an internship from GE Aerospace. Yes, GE Aerospace, a company working on advanced aviation system, aerospace technologies and AI innovation. So watch carefully because these opportunities are actually very good for freshers and students. Let's start with the first opportunity. This role is from Hypersonics and the role is Junior Data Analyst, and the best part here is this is completely remote. Yes, work from home, and this is a full-time entry-level opportunity. Now let's understand what exactly you will do in this role. Basically, Hypersonics works on AI-driven analytics platforms and business intelligence systems. Their teams help companies generate insights using analytics, dashboards, and machine learning outputs. So, as a junior data analyst, your role will mainly involve converting business data into meaningful insights. You will work on dashboard, you will analyze data, support reporting systems, and coordinate with data science and data engineering teams. Now, this is important because many fresher roles only give repetitive support work, but here you will actually interact with multiple teams, including analytics and ML teams, which means better learning exposure. Now, technologies and skills mentioned here are SQL, Python, R, dashboard development, statistical analysis, data modeling, and machine learning concept. Now, obviously, companies know fresher won't master everything, but if your SQL and Python basics are good, plus you have worked on small analytics project, then definitely apply. Now, another thing I like, you may also work around machine learning generated insights and validation workflows. So, this role is actually a nice combination of data analytics and business intelligence. They also mentioned communication and presentation skills because sometimes you will help prepare insights for customer discussions and reporting. And the salary for junior data analyst goes around 8 to 12 LPA, which is good for freshers. Okay, so real talk, AI is everywhere right now, and if you are not learning it, you're already falling behind. But don't stress, I have got you. Let me show you where to start. The problem with most AI courses are they're either way too basic or they assume you have already a PhD, and if tech is not your background, most of them aren't just built for you. So here's what I had generally recommend Simply Learn. It's one of my top picks for AI learning online, and their programs are designed with the world's top universities and leading tech giants. And it actually shows in the quality. Three things I love about it: you learn by doing, real world projects, actual tools, and no prior experience needed. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a professional, or switching careers, they have something built for exactly where you are. If you want to learn AI properly, the structured, practical, career focused way, Simplilearn is where you go. Just Google Simplilearn AI courses or tap the link below and let me know in the comments total beginner or leveling up from tech. I replied to everyone. Catch you in the next one. Now coming to the second opportunity, and this one is huge. This internship is from GE Aerospace and the role is data science internship. Location is Bangalore and this is a 3-month in-office internship. Now exciting part here is the work itself because the internship focuses on machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI, statistics and analytics. So if you are someone trying to build a career in AI or data science, then this is the type of internship that can seriously strengthen your profile. Now, what exactly will interns do here? You will work with mentors on technical projects, you will help analyze and design data science solutions, test and integrate components, and also create a technical reports and presentation based on project outcomes. So, this is not just theory work, you will actually get exposure to real engineering and AI workflows inside a global aerospace company. Now, skills required here include Python, machine learning, statistics, Gen AI concept, analytical thinking, and problem solving skills. Again, they are not expecting you to be an AI expert already. This is an internship, but they do expect strong fundamentals and genuine interest in data science. Now, coming to the eligibility, BTech third year and fourth year students can apply, MTech students can also apply. Preferred specialization is data science or AI within CS or IT branches. Minimum 7 CGPA or 70% is required, and you should not have any backlogs. Also, NOC from college will be needed before the final offer, and having a GE Aerospace on your resume can genuinely stand out. because this is a global recognized company and working with AI now. Now, if I compare both opportunities, if you want full-time remote analytics role, then Hypersonics is valid option, especially if you like SQL, dashboards, and if you are still in college, then go for the second opportunity. So apply fast, don't delay, and make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.